Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the app is updated and you're signed into the exact Google account that earned credits. Once done, check which payout methods your country supports. Google Play Balance or PayPal are common, banks sometimes available. Make sure your chosen payout method is set up and verified. For PayPal, provide the exact email. For banks, verify routing details. Do this now because missing or incorrect payout info is the most common blocker when you try to withdraw funds later. You'll tap your balance and choose withdraw or redeem, then pick the payout method you prepared. Carefully enter or confirm the PayPal email or bank account. Names must match account records to avoid rejection. Once you submit, pay attention to on-screen confirmations and any email verification steps. Complete those immediately. Also review processing time and fees. If a processing delay is shown, note the estimated window so you know when to expect the money. Doing this prevents reversals or lost transfers. After submission, you wait the processing window and check the destination account for pending or completed deposits. If nothing appears, recheck account details and transaction status inside the app. Correct errors and retry only after verifying there's no duplicate pending transfer. If issues persist, contact Google support and include the transaction ID, screenshots, and timestamps. One key troubleshooting tip: always capture screenshots of confirmation screens and emails. Those speeds up resolution if regional restrictions or verification hold the payout.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.